Hi children, welcome to our online class today. Our today's lesson is water as common pool resource. Water as common pool resource. That means water as collective public asset, collective public resource. The first point is the importance of groundwater. In this topic, we discuss only groundwaters, not about the surface water. We will discuss only groundwaters. Remember it. What groundwater has become main source of water. For the past few decades, groundwater has become the main source of water for domestic purpose and agriculture. It has great impact. It has great impact on water availability and access to it. Water availability and access it. Our present laws, second part is, current laws are both outdated and inappropriate. Current laws means present laws. Our present laws about groundwater use in many states are both outdated and inappropriate. The present laws were made decades ago. The present laws were made decades ago when the groundwater is a marginal source of water. At that time, the groundwater is a marginal source of water that is not given most importance. But today, groundwater is a main source of water. The importance of groundwater has increased in these few decades. In these few decades, the importance of groundwater has increased. Relation between land and groundwater. The main defect of the present laws is the relation between land and the groundwater. If you compare these two, the land has fixed resource. Whereas groundwater is a flowing resource. The land has fixed boundaries. But the groundwater has no boundaries, no limitations. But our previous laws made a link between these two aspects, land and groundwater. But actually there is no link between these two aspects, the land and the groundwater. That is the main fault of our present laws. But some states recently changed the laws about groundwater. For our states, in 2002, AP Water Act was enacted in our state. AP Water stands for Andhra Pradesh Water, Land and Trees Protection Act. Andhra Pradesh Water, Land and Trees Protection Act. This act was enacted to protect water, to protect land, to protect trees, that means forests. In this context, we will discuss about only water. According to this law, according to AP Water, a man who wants to dig a borewell, he must take permission from the government, concerned departments. But unfortunately, no one in our area is receiving permission from the department. There was a law, but it is not implemented properly. Unfortunately, our governments also our state government and also central government. All the governments also encouraging more extraction of groundwater with the help of free power. All the governments gave free power to the farmers in such of votes. They are considering the farmers as vote bank. So they are encouraging the farmers to extract more water without paying any bill, any power bill. That is a unfortunate thing. There is also no limitation. There is also no limitation in digging the bore wells. For example, in our Rayalaseema region, the farmers dig up to 600, 700 meters, feet, 600, 700 meters. They dig the bore wells. That is a dangerous thing. That is a dangerous thing. Next, drinking water is the first priority. Drinking water is the first priority as well as a fundamental right. As well as a fundamental right. The government should treat the drinking water as the most priority. Most priority. Panchayat Raj institutions. Panchayat Raj institutions must have control over the use of groundwater in the areas. That is also important thing the government has to do. The government has to do. Groundwater is a public property. Groundwater is a public property like roads, rivers, parks, railways, bus stands, etc. We have to consider it as a public property. This is not an individual property. We have to treat like that. Let us see an example. Let us see an example of Perumatti Gram Panchayat versus Coca-Cola Company. There is a dispute. There is a dispute over use of water between these two organizations. Perumatti Gram Panchayat versus Coca-Cola Company. Perumatti is a village in Palakkad district in Kerala. Perumatti is a village in Palakkad district in Kerala. This is a multinational company, all of you know that, Coca-Cola Company. Some decades ago, Perumatti village gave permission to establish a Coca-Cola plant in their village. After some years, they identified that the quality and quantity of water is decreasing. The quality and quantity of water are decreasing. Because of that, Perumatti Gram Panchayat decided not to renew the license of Coca-Cola Company and they wanted the Coca-Cola Company to shut down in the village. But the company did not agree with them. That is a multinational company. It has some power at the higher levels. Coca-Cola Company went to the court and also farmers and also all the villagers of Perumatti also went to the court of Palakkad district and after High Court and after Supreme Court. In the Supreme Court, this case was sent to a two-judge bench. This case was sent to a two-judge bench. The first judge gave his verdict and he supported the Perumatti Gram Panchayat and said that groundwater is a public resource. Groundwater is a public resource. Whereas the second judge supported the Coca-Cola Company and gave his verdict in favor of Coca-Cola Company and asserted the primacy of landowners' control over groundwater. The second judge asserted the primacy of landowners. Coca-Cola Company is a landowner here. A landowner's control over the groundwater. these two contradictory decisions, that means these two different decisions of the judges show the confusion over the laws in our country. Let us sum up the lesson. Groundwater has become main source for the few decades, mainly for the purpose of domestic purpose and agriculture. The groundwater, the use of excessive use of groundwater has impacted the availability of groundwater and access to groundwater. Current laws are both outdated and inappropriate. The present laws in our country or even in the states are outdated or inappropriate to the situations. They have to be changed. The groundwater should be treated as a public utility, a public thing. It is not a private thing. It belongs to all the people of our country. That is the right way. In our state also, in 2002, AP Volta Act was enacted, but unfortunately, this is not implemented properly. Our governments also encouraging the farmers to draw more water, to pull out more water from the groundwater, or from the underground, by giving subsidies, by giving power subsidies. Power means current subsidies. They are encouraging farmers. Drinking water is the first priority as well as human rights. Panchayat Raj institutions must have control over the use of groundwater. These two are very important. These two things should be recognized by the state government and also central government. Perumatti Gram Panchayat versus Coca-Cola Company. Perumatti Gram Panchayat is in Palakkad district, in Kerala district. Some decades ago, it gave permission to the Coca-Cola Company to establish a company in their village. After some years, they identified the bad effects, or the ill effects of Coca-Cola Company. Because of this company's over extraction of water, there are two ill effects they identified. Those are the quality of the water decreased, the quantity of the water is also decreased. So the Perumatti Gram Panchayat decided not to renew the license of the Coca-Cola Company. Both the Gram Panchayat and Coca-Cola Company went to district court and after High Court and after Supreme Court. But even today, this case is pending in Supreme Court. The two judges gave different judgments. These two different judgments show the confusion over the laws in our country. Okay, thank you.